Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I do rest pause work for the bench press. I just did some warm-up sets and I got 275 on here. My elbows are a little bit beat up, so I'm going to go a little bit lighter today. Instead of pushing for my normal heavy stuff, I'm going to do rest pause work. What's basically going to happen is I'm going to do 5 sets of rest pause work. I'm going to push each set for as many reps as possible, but stop that set when it feels like I'm close to failure or my form's breaking down. So I'm just going to go for quality reps. My goal is to improve using only quality reps. So after the first set is done, I'm going to rest about 30 seconds, okay? I don't have a clock with me, so what I'm going to do instead of counting seconds is I'm going to take 10 deep breaths in between sets. So I'm going to do 5 sets and I'm going to take 10 deep breaths in between sets. I'm not going to be anal about time, but I'm just going to make sure I restrict time between sets. So I'm going to go for as many reps as possible on 5 sets. So you guys kind of get to watch how my rest pause system works. I call it Bulldozer training. I based it off of DC training. The thing I don't like about DC training or dog crap training is that I don't like training to failure. Plus I found that when I do a few more sets, it just feels better. Now this type of training is going to leave you with an incredible amount of muscle soreness. So this works really well with body part training, or if you just do 1 exercise per day like this on an upper lower split. So here goes. I'm just going to film this live, guys, so you can watch me. My first working sets in this squat rack here at the Muscle and Strength Gym. I got this set up to catch. It's real close. I got it set up to catch if I hit failure. You might hear it bumping on there a little bit. That's about the best pin height I can achieve on the squat rack. So again, I'm going to be doing rest pause work, about 10 deep breaths in between sets. Just doing as many reps as possible. It might be a little pain in the butt using these wraps. I'm going to tough it out. I do my work with a slingshot because it helps me save my shoulders. I've been benching for 30 years, almost 30 years. For over 20 of those years, my bench press form was really, really horrible. So I don't have the best shoulders, that's why I use a slingshot. So here goes, guys. I'm going to do 5 total sets again with about 10 deep breaths in between sets. Got 3 reps on the second set. Keep bumping these pins. Still trying to figure out the optimal. I'm going to strip this off a bit. Give my wrist just a temporary break. Still trying to figure out this new squat rack for benching. Still trying to figure out the depth. You can tell I'm bumping on here. It's kind of a pain, but you do what you gotta do. Okay, this is third set. I did 7 reps and 3 reps. Give my wrist a break, get some blood flowing back in those babies. Okay. So I've done 7 reps, 3 reps, 3 reps. That's 13 total for 3 sets. I got 2 sets of rest pause work to go. Don't really worry about time, but I try to keep it tight. Okay, that was only 2 reps. It's all right. The goal is to train, get quality reps in, and keep your form as good as possible. And the goal again is to improve. So I've done 7, 3, 3, 2. That's 15 total reps. Usually when I'm doing the bench press, rest pause work, I don't usually go this heavy. But still gives you an intense quality workout. This is my last rest pause set. Just gonna try to get quality reps. I normally don't train to failure, but on this last set, it's okay to push it a little bit more. I don't find that training to failure on the bench press penalizes me much, so I might push for that extra rep. That's good. All right, guys, there you have it. That's rest pause training, or what I call bulldozer training. Sometimes I do 5 sets, sometimes I do 7 sets. This was pretty heavy work, all things considered, for me. And I told you I keep it about 30 seconds in between sets, or about 10 deep breaths. You can tell I don't typically micromanage that. I just try to keep it in that ballpark. So today I did 7 reps, 3 reps, 3 reps, 2 reps, and 2 reps. So that's 17 total reps. Usually for a 5 rep set, if I could get to about 25 reps on here, then I would add weight. So if I do this again next time, I'm just gonna try to improve my total by 1 rep. That's my goal, small improvements. So if I could get to 25 total reps on here, then I'd add 5 pounds. So if you guys have any more questions on this rep system I use called the Rep Goal System, you can find a link to my book below. It is a 200-page book. It focuses on a lot of things, but includes information on the Rep Goal System. So guys, if you have any questions or comments on this video, you can find a Q&A link below. If you post a question there, I answer every question. So come on over, leave a question. I'd be glad to help you out. And guys, as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.